Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very special and traditional Bangladeshi dessert called Shemai. Shemai is essentially vermicelli noodles cooked with ghee, whole spices, dried fruits and nuts and milk. There's variations of this across South Asia. Some people have a lighter consistency Shemai, some people have a rich creamy version. It's especially popular for breakfast or brunch, afternoon tea. Sometimes we have it with a little bit of fried flatbread called porota, so that's a perfect combination if you get to try that. Also, it's very popular for the festivals of Eid, where we have it usually for breakfast. So I will share with you the version that we make at home, which is fairly thick, rich, creamy, and finished off with dried fruits and nuts. So let's get started. So here's what we'll need for our Shemai. 150 grams of vermicelli noodles, which are kind of lightly toasted. They come in small packets and you can find them in South Asian grocery stores. Try and go for the Indian, Pakistani or Bangladeshi varieties, which I'm used to. About 200 grams or 1 ramekin of granulated sugar. 2 level tablespoons of raisins. 2 level tablespoons of chopped nuts. I've got here cashews and almonds, but you can use any nuts of your choice. 2 tablespoons of ghee. 1 large cinnamon stick or cassia bark broken into pieces. About 8 or 10 cardamom pods and 2 medium bay leaves. We're also going to need some milk. I've got 500 milliliters here, but we'll need a little bit extra. So let's get started. So I've got a large pan that I've set over medium-low heat, and what we're going to do first is add the ghee. So warm the ghee up for about 30 seconds or so until it's hot. I'm going to add our whole spices. Stir this around briefly for about 10-20 seconds. Next, we're going to add the chopped nuts. I'm going to toast the nuts for about 15-20 seconds. Then add the vermicelli noodles. And to toast the vermicelli for about 3 or 4 minutes until they take on a nice golden colour. So stir them and turn them over like this. I can already smell the really nice toasted ghee, spices, and nuts. So I've been toasting the vermicelli for about 3 minutes. It's taken on a very nice golden colour, as you can probably see. So I'm going to add the raisins now. Through. After adding the raisins, what I'm going to do is add the sugar. Stir the sugar in quickly for about 30 seconds. So you don't want the sugar to burn, just to kind of combine nicely with the vermicelli. Once the sugar is mixed in, we're going to add the milk. So I've added 900 milliliters of milk here, whole milk. Depending on your vermicelli, you may need a little bit more. So after adding the milk, start stirring it and increase the heat to medium-high. And what we're going to do is keep stirring it, and it will come to a nice simmer after a couple of minutes. The milk is beginning to bubble up and we're at a lively simmer. So what we're going to do now is reduce the heat to low and stir it to thicken it up. This will need about 5 minutes. So keep stirring it after reducing the heat until it thickens to a nice custard-like consistency. So our shemai is almost done. This is the consistency we're looking for. So kind of like thick, custard-like. Once it cools, it will thicken up a little bit as well. So once you see this consistency, it kind of slowly drops from a spoon. Turn the heat off. You can finish the dish with a few chopped nuts. So there you have it, my traditional Bangladeshi shemai with dried fruits and nuts. So guys, there you have it, my really traditional and authentic Bangladeshi shemai made with raisins, nuts, whole spices and ghee, and already smells amazing, but I'm going to give it a try now. Really delicious. I can taste the whole spices in there, the ghee. It's rich, creamy, and really fragrant as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and do check out my cookbook, Brooklyn Cookbook, which is linked below, and I shall see you next time.